One thing I always do when I photograph people is I like to show them the photos I've been taking on the back of my camera. This does one of a few different things. First, it helps to build a rapport with that person. They get to see that you care about the photos as much as they do, and this will only help improve their performance. Another thing it does is it helps them to actually see what they look like with your setup. This will help them maybe change a few things or adapt to your particular style of photography. And lastly, it helps them see what you are creating from your perspective. Maybe you have a strange photography setup, such as holding a spoonful of food out in front of them. They don't really know exactly what you're photographing, and when they actually get to see the results, they'll probably be surprised and they'll be much more willing and happy to work with you as a photographer.